Yo, what's up everybody? My name is Salman and welcome back to my channel SalmanTechno. Okay guys, now I'm going to show you how to make a table in HTML. Let's just start it, okay? But before, I want to say don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you will know all videos about programming, tutorials and tech tips only on SalmanTechno. Now I want to explain elements to make a table. So there are 4 elements to make a table in HTML, such as table tag, table row tag, table data tag, and table header cell tag. So the first is about table tag as the main element. The second is TR, or known as table row tag, which used to make a new row in the table. There is also TD tag, or we known as table data tag, which used as the container from data. The last is TH tag to make a header cell, and it used to add the title from each column. Okay, guys, if you want to know all about table in HTML, let's just start it. And just in this video, don't go to anywhere. Let's go to the Sublime text. Okay, guys, now we are in the Sublime text. Okay. Now I'm going to separate it first, okay, between HTML lists and HTML tables. It means that now we will learn about HTML tables. Okay, now I'm going to make the HR tag here, and I'm going to make the newest one, okay, HTML tables. That I have said before that the first thing we have to make table tags from the opening tags and closing tag, okay? The table tag, and we make between them TR tags. So I'm going to make a table about countries around the world, okay? So there are 6 TR tags here. And then I'm going to make between TR tags here TH tags, okay? So for the TH tags, there will be number until government. So I'm going to make 6, okay? The first is for the number. Wait, before I'm going to say that there are 4 elements, tables, TR tags, TH tag, and TD tag, okay? So the first is table. The second is for the table row and also the heading cells, okay? Country, capital, city, government, not government, but population, and also the area, okay? No, I mean, the area is for the 6th, okay? The area and also the government. Okay, now if I want to show you the result, let me save it and let's go to the Google Chrome. So this is the result. Oh my God, it's very small here. Okay. First, I'm going to make 5 PR tags first. And then I'm going to make the font size. It means I'm going to make it more bigger, okay? The font size is 35 pixels. And this is the result. Okay, so let's go back to the Google Chrome. Yeah, as you can see here, okay? And then if I want to add the table data, you can write here TD tags, okay? So there will be 6 tags. And this is the first. It's about Indonesia. So the capital city is Jakarta. And also the population is 276.4 million, okay? Now let me copy it, and this is the result. And how about the area? It is 1,905 million square kilometers, okay? And oh my God, I have to make it area and then also the government, okay? So the first is number, the second is country, the third is capital city, the fourth is population, the fifth is area, and the last is government, okay? So the government is republic country, okay? Now I'm gonna save it, and let's go to the Google Chrome. So this is the result. Yeah, as you can see here, Indonesia, Jakarta, 276.4 million as the population, the area, and the government. Okay. Now, if I want to make it into the border, I mean, how to make it so the table, there will be the border in there. So you can write here, okay, border 1, and then I'm going to save it. So this is the result of our program. So there will be the border here, okay. Now let's go back to the sublime text. So I'm going to make it the second, the third, fourth, and fifth, okay. So the second is United Kingdom. And the capital city is London. And how about the population? Okay, so the population is 67.33 million, and the area is 243,600 million kilometers squares. It means 243,610 square kilometers. The government is constitutional monarchy. And then I'm going to make the third one, okay? It is about Australia. It's actually the example. Capital city is Canberra, and then the population is 25.74 million, and also the area is 7.688 million square kilometers. So this is the area and also the government, okay? Constitutional and federal monarchy. So this is the government. And then the fourth is about Japan. Okay, so the capital city is Tokyo. After that, the population is 125.7 million. And also the area is, okay, I'm going to copy it for the area, okay? 377,915 square kilometers. So that is the area of Japan, okay? And the government is monarchy. And then I'm going to make the fifth is about United States of America. Okay, so the capital city is Washington, D.C. The population of the country is 331.9 million. Okay, so I'm gonna paste it here. And then also the area of the country, okay? It is 9.834 million square kilometers. So this is the area, and it is actually the Federal Republic, okay? So if we want to know the result, let me save it, and let's go back to the Google search, okay? So this is the result if you want to see here, okay? From Indonesia, United Kingdom, Australia, Japan, and United States of America. So it is the table about country, capital city, until government. So this is the result, okay? Now, how if I want to make the table about lists for beverage and foods here, from fried chicken until coffee with the prices here. Okay, let me show you how to do it, okay? Now let's go back to the sublime text, and I'm gonna make the newest one for the table here. So first we have to make table and also the TR text here, okay? Oh, I've forgotten for the closing text, so don't forget the closing text, okay, guys? So without closing text, so our program will be failed, okay? TR and then also TH tags. And then I'm gonna make the second one TR in here, okay? So there will be 7. Let me count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so there are 7 foods and beverage, okay? I'm gonna copy it here. So this is for the result. There will be foods or beverages, and also the price of the foods or beverages here, okay? The price. So I'm gonna make, the first is fried chicken, french fries, burger, fish and chips until coffee. And it means the first I'm gonna make it about fried chicken. Okay. So the name of the food or beverages, or maybe it is foods, okay? It is fried chicken. The price is 65,000 rupees, okay? And then also I'm gonna make it into 8 rows. Let me see, okay. After that, the second is french fries. It is 55,000. And then also burger. It is 60,000 rupees. Also the zupa soup here. Zupa soup. It is 30,000 rupees. Okay. And then also sandwich. It is 35,000 rupees. Okay. After that, Thai tea. Oh my God, I love Thai tea, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Super soup. Oh my God, I forgotten the fish and chips. Okay. I forgot the fish and chips. So I have to add here. Okay. It is fish and chips. It is 40,000. Also, the sandwich here is 35,000. The burger first, fish and chips, zupa soup. Oh my God. Maybe I can make the newest one, fish and chips, zupa soup. Zupa soup is 30,000 rupees. Sandwich, 35,000 rupees. Thai tea is 25,000 rupees, and also coffee is 20,000 rupees. Okay. Now let me save it, but before, I'm sorry for just now. Okay. Fried chicken, french fries, burger, fish and chips, super soup, sandwich, Thai tea, coffee. Okay. Now I'm gonna save it and let's go back to the Google Chrome. So this is the result. Okay. Yeah. Oh my God, it's very small. I'm gonna make it, okay? And also the border one. Let me delete this, the table, style, font size, 35 pixels, and also border 1. Okay? So let me save it, and this is the result, okay? So foods or beverages with the price. Fried chicken, 65,000 rupees. French fries, 55,000 rupees. Burger, 60,000 rupees. Until coffee, 20,000 rupees. It means that the first is fried chicken and the last is coffee. Okay, guys, so that's all about how to make tables in HTML. So how about you guys? Do you already understand all about HTML tables? I wish you understand about that because it's actually simple. So there are 4 tags in how to make tables. There are table tags, tr tags, td tags, and th tags. Okay, so the first is the table tags is the main element in table. The second is tr tags. It means it is the table row tag. And then the third is td. It means the table data tag. And fourth is th. It means the table header cell tag. Okay, so that is the conclusion for our lesson. And I'm gonna say, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you will know all videos in SalmanTechno channel. Okay, guys, so thanks for watching and have a nice day, guys. Goodbye.
Run.